Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's Vince from Posture Prime, where I help you with your posture and overall health. So let's get on it. In this video, I'm going to break down how to get that head from our tech neck forward head position or forward head posture, and how do we get that back again. The problem I find is a lot of people go into doing, they're good at chin tucks and they'll do that a lot, but we really need something to work against. These muscles here at the back need to get stronger. These here need to be relaxed. So we need to get these stronger to pull our head back and up. And I use the wall stand I've been using for years as a postural therapist. I go to it every time because we've got something hard to work to. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so when I'm at the wall, I want you guys maybe coming off the wall, maybe 6 inches off the wall with your feet. And you're going to lean the whole way back. Now, whenever you have a bad forward head posture, you're going to find that your head's going to be off the wall maybe 2 or 3 inches, which is normal. So that might be as far as you can get back. That's perfectly fine. But what I want you to do is trying to get your head back. Now, even if you have to tilt it up, work at it, but I still want you to maybe crown it up and back as far as you can. And I want you to do that about 10 times, depending on how far forward your head is. Some people will be here, but as long as you're straining to get back. The thing with the wall, you can push as hard as you want into the wall, which is great. So I want you to do 10 chin pulls or chin tucks into the wall, and also turning left and turning right, because you're stretching out the muscles. As you're turning, you're still trying to get the head back and head back. Now, when you do that after about a week or so, you'll find that your head come back closer to the wall, which is good. Once you start to get your head closer to the wall, then I want you to bring the chin up and down, because what that does, it lengthens out the curvature muscle here in your back. So that excessive curvature from the forward head posture, we are lengthening it and strengthening it every time you slide our head up. 10 of those, and 10 turns to the left and 10 right for about 3 rounds or so. And then you can hold it back in the middle. The more you're against the wall, the straighter you'll be, and you'll remember that. So whenever you're back sitting at your desk, you've something that you've trained against, so you'll be able to pull back up, because these muscles will be able to fire because you know what to do with them. Now, once you get to the wall, that's one part. The really beautiful part is, I want you to take a book or a pad about an inch thick. I want you to place it behind your back, because at this point, a lot of people, they only work to get to the wall, they don't work past the wall. But when you work and get your head further behind your neck and shoulders, and once again doing the tucks, up, down to lengthen these muscles, and left and right. Once you do that there and hold it, do it for a few weeks, you've trained the muscles in the head to sit back. So whenever you train straight to the wall, you're more likely to rest slightly forward. But if you can train further back using the pad, you'll reset back to where you were. And that's the real key to doing head positioning, to really reset that back. For maintenance wise, you'll want to be doing this every day, especially if you're at a desk or anything, because you're always going to find yourself working away. But it does take a few weeks to build up. But the maintenance, always do a wall stand at the start and at the end of the day. Set your head and posture back, so whenever you're going to sit back on your work, you know where to go. Work your way back gradually, set it further behind the pad, because that's the key to resetting it back where it should be. Okay guys, good luck with them exercises there. So that's the wall stand, and also integrating the pass parallel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you'd like to see anything else, also mention it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Until the next video, bye for now.